Good day everyone. Today, I will be discussing about the assessment developmental cycle. This cycle is a continuous and systematic process na ginagamit for education upang tiyakin na ang pagtuturo at pagkatuto ay effective at na-achieve ang inaasahang result. Ito ay binubuo ng 4 main stage. First is plan, write outcomes. Identify the specific learning outcomes you want to assess. Create question, tasks, or activities that are appropriate for the learning outcomes. Here's a plan. This is the first stage na kung saan tinutukoy ang mga gusto mong matutunan ng mga bata. And dito sa plan, isinusulat ang malinaw na learning outcomes o layunin sa pagkatuto ng mga bata. Second is do, teaching and learning. Teach students effectively to help them achieve the identified learning outcomes. Implement the design assessment tools to monitor student learning. Here's a do. This is the second stages na kung saan ay isinasagawa ang pagtuturo at pagkatuto ng mga bata. Although it's called assessment cycles, assessment gather data based sa kung ano ang natutunan ng mga bata. This is the actual delivery of content, like paggamit ng iba't ibang teaching strategies and active student participation. The third one is check. Evaluate students' work. Evaluate the student responses and performance on the assessment. Determine if the students are meeting the established learning outcomes. This is where assessment or evaluation ng mga ginawa ng mga bata upang malaman kung nakamit ba ang ginawa nating objective or plan. Lastly is act. Revise and reinforce. Make adjustment to your teaching method and activities based on the feedback and result. This is the last stages kung saan ginagamit ang natutunan mula sa check or evaluate students' work upang gumawa ng adjustment sa process. Kung hindi nakamit ng mga student ang ginawa nating plan, kailangan gumawa ng bago or revise. Kung effective naman ang pagtuturo, kailangan nating palakasin or reinforce ito. Ang cycle na ito ay patuloy na umiikot mula sa plan, do, check, and act upang matiyak ang tuloy-tuloy na pagpapabuti sa pagtuturo at pagkakatuto ng mga bata. That's all. Thank you for listening.